the camera.
Hold on,
hey! What's up? Whoa.
Are you guys ready to canoe, baby?
Yeah!
This is the start of our canoe trip. Andrew Baselli and Still are going right by us.
Don't get that wet, Ryan.
This is the Swanee River. In a few seconds, Ryan, Aaron, and Pastor Eric will be rapiding down this thing to get our canoe.
What do you got? Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Boop. That's our serenader to make sure that they have. Does that not look dangerous? Look at that. Water's flowing like streams of herds trying to escape migration patterns of the west. And that is why. Look. Evan, what was that? You guys wave to the camera. This is our load up team. It takes immense concentration. And that's why they're kneeling. Wave for the camera. It's Pastor Eric and Ryan going to their destination. This are the three people, Joseph, Evan, and Garrett, that are waiting gallantly for the next people.
Whoa! 3 boats connected.
This is how you camp.
Oh no.
Actually, this is how you canoe.
How do you guys feel that you just made fire from raw nature?
So freaking awesome. Raw nature toilet paper.
Really
Mi Mr. Ellion, what's your intake on this?
I'm just glad to be a blessing to my little friends here.
We're getting warm tonight. Woo!
Yeah. Hey, I just stood there and watching, so I had nothing to say.
Hey, put it on top.
Andrew, tell me what do you think about this?
Well, I'm glad that we have fire because last time it was freezing cold, and I hope we keep this for most of the night because if it gets cold, I'm going to come out and lay out here.
That's great.
Unless
Awesome.
it rains.
Awesome. And Josh,
Yeah.
how do you feel about fire?
I'm a pyro.
Oh, I got something to say about fire. It was the first thing made by man.
Really?
Yeah.
Cavemen?
Yeah.
Cool.
I also had
Andy, what do you think about this amazing fire right here?
It's not very raging yet.
Is this something that you would want right now?
Yes. It's taking forever to peel the...
How do you like rain?
No.
I didn't think so.
Yeah. Anyone here who likes rain after last night's like crazy.
It's a video camera.
Sweet video.
See this stuff? This is perfect right here. Can you find me some of this stuff right here that we can chip? We can put it up in the middle here. And once we get the big ones going, guys, we are in business for the night. Look at this. See, this is what I want right here. See this wood right
Check
here?
that out, everyone.
No.
Look at that.
Right there. That's prime.
Here's what I did.
That's prime firewood right there.
Here.
Well, that's
Put some on bad. That's like smoking. So I'm not going to do that.
1, 2, 3, row! 1, 2, 3, row! 1, 2, 3, row!
1, 2, 3, row! 1, 2, 3, row! 1, 2, 3, row!